In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Workspace in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you permanently remove a workspace. First, open your browser and go to Notion.com. On the home page, look for the Login button, usually at the top right, and click it. For this walkthrough, we'll use the Google option to sign in. Select Google, then choose your Google account to continue. If you sign in using a different method, that's fine. The rest of the process is the same once you're inside Notion. After you're logged in, make sure you're in the workspace you actually want to delete. If you're part of multiple workspaces, look for the workspace name at the top of the sidebar or in the header. Click the small drop-down arrow next to that name to open the workspace switcher. This is your quick way to confirm you're targeting the correct workspace before taking any irreversible action. From that same drop-down, choose Settings. If you don't see it there, you can also open the left sidebar and find the Settings option directly. Both paths take you to the same place. In the Settings window, navigate to the General section. This area contains high-level options that affect the entire workspace. Scroll until you see the Delete Workspace section. Click Delete Workspace to begin the removal process. Notion will ask you to confirm this decision by typing the exact name of the workspace. Carefully enter the workspace name exactly as it's displayed. This confirmation step is designed to prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to double-check that you've selected the right workspace. When the name matches, click Permanently Delete Workspace. This action can't be undone. All pages, databases, files, and shared content inside this workspace will be removed for every member. If you don't see the option to delete, it likely means you're not the workspace owner or you don't have the required permissions. In that case, you'll need to contact the owner to proceed. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you do this. Deletion is permanent, so ensure there's nothing critical in that workspace you still need. If you only intended to leave the workspace personally, that's a different action than deleting it for everyone. That's it. You've learned how to log in, find the correct workspace, open settings, navigate to general, confirm the workspace name, and permanently delete it. Thanks for watching, and take care when using this option to avoid removing the wrong workspace.